Hi, you know the main danger in launching foil kite in high winds is the tangle of the bridle into the tip of the kite. To avoid the kite to flutter too much and to secure the position of the bridle above the kite, you can make a fast sort of quick release knot. Make a simple loop on the center part of the A-line, then pass the tip A-line into this loop, and to lock the loop, pass the same line into its arm loop. After practicing once, it's very easy and you won't have any problem anymore during these dangerous phases if you are alone.